So hello everyone and welcome back to Shubhangi Coding and Magical World. This is me Shubhangi, your mentor, and today is our app lab session and we're going to learn how to create a diary application in the code.org app lab by using its really basic features. Okay, so let's get started, or just let's wait a second. So it will so that everyone join. Okay. So let's wait. Okay, so let's get started. So I'm going to share my screen. So let me share it. So I hope it's visible to you all. So Okay, so first of all, open the code.org website, okay, and then just click at create and choose the app lab, okay. Just choose the app lab, and now let's wait for it to open. Okay, so after opening is it just rename a project as or diary. So I'm going to just name it, give it name like this. So now let's come to this design, and now let's design our application. So first of all, I'm going to just put the background white on it. And now let's add here a beautiful image. So see, you can just go at the Google type for diary clip art. You will get lots of options. I'm having an image which I have downloaded from internet, so I'm going to use that. And I'm going to send that image in the Discord as well. Okay, so it will be easier for you to take it. Okay, let me choose it. Okay, so this is a really cute image I get. So I like it. That's why I'm going to put this one. So now let's add a label of welcome. Okay, let's take a label here. Let's make it bigger. Okay, and now let's type there. Okay, welcome. Okay, so hey there, welcome. Okay, to welcome to diary. Okay, let's type here diary. Okay, let's type there welcome to diary. Okay, and now let's so now let's give it a big size like this. Okay, now let's give it a bright color. So let's give it a pink color. Okay, now let's choose the font as Arial. Okay, this one. Let me put here space. Okay, so it's looking good. Okay, it's looking good. So now after that, So here I'm going to add here a button of enter. Okay, so just type the text as enter. Okay, and now just give the background color as the pink color and give the text size bigger. Just change the font also. I'm going to give the font Arial. You can give any type of font. Okay, and after that, now let's create another screen there. Okay, so now after that, see. Okay, so now let's for the second screen, let's do one thing. Let's select a theme. So I'm going to select this theme. Yes, as it's my favorite. And now let's add here an image again. Okay, that image only I'm going to add. You will just get this image at the Discord channel. Okay, so this is very cute. Now after that, two buttons of new note, see preview. Okay, previous notes. Okay, so new note. Okay, and then also just don't forget to make the text size big. I just forgot to make it. So let's make it bigger because that's looking too smaller. After the new note, the previous note is there. Okay, after the new note, the previous note. Previous note. Now let's design the another screen. Okay, so see when the user will hit this new node, so now let's design that screen. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to define here an back button. Okay, so let's go to icons. So you will get it here. Okay, let's select it. Oh no, by mistake I choose this plus. Okay, let me select it. Okay, so the image. Okay, so this image. Okay, and after that, see. So here I want to put some inputs. Okay, so here the okay, just give me a second. Okay, so now after that, let's type there date. Okay, let's give the size like this only. Okay, let's make it bigger, and now let's give the font size also really bigger. So this much. Okay, so now let's duplicate it for the time one also. Okay, so now just type there. Now after that, see, now just duplicate it again for putting the title there. Okay, so for the title I need the same. So let me the title. Okay, so it's now after that a text area for writing the notes. So let's take here a text area. Okay, and don't make it read only. Okay, otherwise it can create problem. Write your note here. Okay, so the text should be write your notes here. Okay, and now let me make this font size bigger. Okay, this much. Okay, and now let's add here a button of done. Okay, here a button of done. Okay, like this. So now after adding the button of done, so now let's design the screen for that the see previous ones. Okay, so just duplicate this screen and only one thing you have to add there. Okay, just remove the text from this text area. Okay, and then just only you have to add there two images. So first is of okay, just type the back. Okay, then you will get this hand one. Let's take this. So just add up put it. Okay, I'm going to make it smaller. Now after I put it there like this. Now just duplicate it, and here instead of right, so left, just type the right. Okay, so automatically it will take that one. So now let's put it here. Okay, so now we are just done by designing the screen, and just remove this done button. So we are done by designing this screen. So now let's do one thing. Okay, so now just come to this code part. Okay, and what you have to do is see. So we are going to do the code for the application. So see, here you can see this image. So when the user will hit this, or sorry, user will hit this button one, I would like the user to get redirected on the screen two. Okay. After that, see, now let's define the code for these two buttons. So when the button 2 is going to get clicked, set the screen by. Okay, I would like the user to get redirected to this screen 3. So now just do one thing also. Copy this. Okay, like this, just copy this block, paste it. Okay, now see, when this button 3 again is going to get pressed of previous nodes. Okay, what happened? Um, okay, button 3 of previous nodes is going to get. Let's set the screen by last one. Okay, which is a screen 4. Now just define the code for these back buttons also. Okay, so when the user will hit this image 3, I would like the user to get redirected on the screen 2. Okay, so just do one thing, let's duplicate it and paste it here. And now let's do it for this, go to screen 4. So when the user will hit this image 4, then also go to screen 2. Okay, and see, also when the user will just click this button 2 of new node, I would like to also play a sound there. I would like to play a speech also there. Okay, play speech of welcome you. Okay, so your new. Okay, we have to put there your new page. Okay, so the new. Uh, you can put any type of sound there. New page is ready for you to use. Okay. So now after that, see, when the button 3, I would like to again play a sound there, play a speech of. You can see previous notes which you wrote here. Okay. So see, let's type down. So you can see your previous notes which you wrote here. Okay, which you wrote here. Okay. Now after that, see, for the back buttons also, let's place sound there and make our project more good. Okay. Now just see for saving. Okay. Now see. Let's go to this screen 3. Okay. So when the user will hit this done button, okay, this button 4, then what I want to see, I would like to create a record with name notes. Okay. Let's create a record with name notes. Okay, I would like to just create automatically a table to get. I want a table to get created automatically. So just copy it like this. Okay, now let's put here a comma and okay. So just enter it. Okay, so it will be easier for you to put these put this get text block. Okay. Now just go to show blocks. Okay. So I would like to store the date, the time, okay, the title, and we know. Okay, which user we need to type. So see, let's use this get text block for it. So the date should get the text from this text input one. Okay, the time from this. Okay, the time from this text input two. Okay, text input two or text input two. Yes, and after that the title from this the text input three. Okay, now after that the note which is going to be there from this the text area one. Okay, and also see here you can see this at the screen for just make. Oh no, I delete that by mistake. Oh, that's okay. Let's take it again. And just make. Don't forget to make it read only. Okay. Just make it read only. Okay. So now after that, see. Now see the text which is there. Okay. So जो text है वो भी इसमें चाहती हूँ सब में से disappeared हो जाए. Okay. तो उसके लिए हम यूज कर सकते हैं set text का block. So let's use set text block. Okay, just take it 4 times. So I would like to set the text input 1, text input 2, text input 3, and in the text area 1. Okay, or just put it like this. Okay, it means I don't want to put any text there. Okay, so there will be no text. Okay, don't give it any value. Okay, now after that, see, I would like to play a sound. I would like to play a speech. Okay, your note has been uh, saved. Okay, okay. So now after that, see. Okay, so now let's go to this screen 4 and now let's define the code for it. So let's see. So when the user will hit this image 6, okay, for seeing, okay, this image 6, then what I want to see. Okay, so for that back and after, so you can just do one thing, just create a variable. Okay, so name should be this only, and then just give the value 1. Okay, so see, then I want it to be x plus 1. Okay, x is equals to x plus 1. Okay, so now see, I would like to just read the record. Okay, I would like to read the record with name of the name. Okay, of the table notes. Okay, and then just remove everything which is there in for loop. And after that, see, then I would like to see. Let's use the set text block here. We just copy it like this. Okay, and now let's put it here like this. Text input 2, text input 3, then this text area. Okay, so see, I would like to just set the text in this text input 4. Okay, 5, 6, and then this text area 3. Okay, by records I. Okay. Okay, so in the text input 4 by records I dot date. Okay, and here in the text input 5 by records I dot time. Okay, and here in this text input 6 by records I dot title. Okay, and in the text area by records I dot notes. Okay, records I dot notes. Okay, so this is how we can see it. Okay, and now see, just for this back button, same code is needed. So just do one thing. Let's copy this code and paste it. Okay, so see, when this image 5 is going to get lit. Okay, image 5 is going to get lit. So now there just put the minus instead of plus. I would like to like the x2 okay, x is equals to x minus 1. So same code will be there. So this is how, so we have completed the code. So just give in a second, I'm going to test the app, and if our app will work, then I will tell you all. Okay. Okay, so there is a good news that our app is really working and you can try it at your home. Okay, you can try it and make it in the app lab. So this is how you can make your own diary app by using the very basic features of app lab. Thank you so much for watching the video, and this was the real time app. And if you like this video, then don't forget to turn the black thumb blue and subscribe to our channel. And bye bye everyone. See you tomorrow in the next session.